Ever been in an awkward situation and didn't know what to say? Maybe you forgot someone's name, didn't hear them clearly, or showed up late, and you just smiled awkwardly? Don't worry. Today I'll teach you 15 smart English replies that will save you in any awkward moment. Stay with me till the end. Number 15 will make you sound super confident. 1. When you forget someone's name. Phrase, I'm so sorry, could you remind me of your name again? Example, I'm so sorry, could you remind me of your name again? I'm terrible with names. 2. When you didn't hear someone clearly. Phrase, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? Example, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please? 3. When you're late. Phrase, I'm really sorry for being late. Thanks for waiting for me. Example, I'm really sorry for being late, the traffic was crazy. 4. When someone interrupts you. Phrase, that's okay, please go ahead. Example, oh, that's okay, please go ahead, I'll continue after you. 5. When you interrupt someone. Phrase, sorry to interrupt, but may I just add something? Example, sorry to interrupt, but may I just share a quick idea? 6. When you accidentally say something wrong. Phrase, oops, that came out wrong, I didn't mean it that way. Example, oops, that came out wrong, I was just joking. 7. When you forget what you wanted to say. Phrase, I completely lost my train of thought. Example, wait. I completely lost my train of thought. What was I saying? 8. When you don't understand. Phrase, I'm not sure I follow, could you explain that? Example, I'm not sure I follow, what do you mean exactly? 9. When someone misunderstands you. Phrase, oh, I think you misunderstood me. I meant. Example, I think you misunderstood me, I meant tomorrow, not today. 10. When you bump into someone accidentally. Phrase, oh, sorry about that. Are you okay? Example, ooh, sorry about that, I didn't see you there. 11. When you forget something important. Phrase, I can't believe I forgot. That's so unlike me. Example, I can't believe I forgot your birthday, that's so unlike me. 12. When you say something embarrassing. Phrase, well, that was awkward. Anyway. Example, well, that was awkward. Anyway, let's move on. 13. When you drop or spill something. Phrase, whoops. That was clumsy of me. Example, whoops. That was clumsy of me, I'll clean it up. 14. When someone thanks you. Phrase, no problem at all, happy to help. Example, no problem at all, happy to help anytime. 15. When someone apologizes to you. Phrase, it's alright, no worries. Example, it's alright, no worries, these things happen. Now you'll never feel awkward again, no matter what situation you're in. Which of these phrases do you think you'll use the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Word Hub for more natural English every week.